How to fix TikTok search bar easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in this short video of today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok search bar. So all what you have to do is very simple, so don't worry because the problem is going to be fixed easily. All what you have to do is go to the settings, go to the apps, go to apps again. Now wait a few seconds. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down until you find TikTok, click on it. Now here click on this option, it's called force stop, and then go to the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back again, click on power usage details, and here make sure that this power consumption alert is enabled. Go back again. Now the last thing, click on storage and click on clear data, and after that all what you have to do now is reopen TikTok and the problem is gonna be fixed. See you later in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.